What's up, you guys? So we are literally, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 4 days away from fully being in Texas. I am so ready. I've been checking the weather there every day. A lot warmer than what it is here, and I'm just ready for that. There's a lot of stuff to check out down there, and I really would like for you guys to come see what we're gonna be doing, like how we're gonna be living. We're literally gonna be moving from having, you know, a decent sized living area to staying in the camper pretty much full time. I'm out of breath. I am going to start taking better care of myself. Sounds so ridiculous to say, but I know I'm not the only one that does this. It's not just me. I'm gonna make it a goal to do a certain amount every day. You know, maybe 2 laps in the beginning and then move up progressively. Gunner is going to be with us too. I'm gonna walk him. He's gonna get some exercise. He loves being outside. But anywho, I'm excited just to kind of be in a different environment, because you know where we live at now, I've been here my whole life, but that's what I'm getting at. Being in a whole new environment is gonna be exciting, and it's not like we're gonna be there forever, so maybe if we get over it, by that time we'll be moving on to a different state. And that's why I want you guys to come along with me. Comment some stuff that's cool to do in Dallas. I've looked up a bunch of stuff, but I'm sure people who actually live there know, like, you know, the good stuff. So comment some stuff. We are back on the grind, and I will be in Texas Wednesday, 4 days from now. If you guys want to join us for this journey and you want to see what we got going on, be sure to subscribe to my channel, give it a like, comment some stuff on there. I read every comment, and I will give you some kind of response. Come and join us for this journey. You guys ready? Cheers. Cheers.
We're doing that. Okay.
There's people who are filming in public at Target and stuff. They ain't know. Today is the day, you guys. My little car is gonna be loaded down. Oh, and I already looked at the maps. I have a 13-hour drive ahead of me. A little over 13 hours. I'm not ready for this. Gotta go to town real quick, get that stuff, stop at my dad's, clean my car out. Then me and Gunner are getting on the road, and I'm so excited. Without further ado, at some point, you guys, in this video, I will be in Texas. Gunner will be too. I am super excited. Indiana now. Let's see. I'll see you guys here in a minute. Guys, we are in Kentucky, and yes, it's an early stop, and I know I did not film any kind of packing. I was in a hurry, so I was trying to just do what I could to get on the road, because it's going to take me forever. I still have 11 hours. Bubby's been tooting the whole way, so I stopped thinking maybe he might potty. He didn't. He peed twice. Grabbed some Subway, give Bubby some water. It's kind of hard to film when it's just me driving, so I don't know how much stuff I'm gonna get, but here's the Subway. Alright, I'll see you guys shortly. Bye! Okay, you guys, so it has been a long night. I did not film a whole lot. As soon as I got maybe an hour or two away from my destination, it was pouring the rain. I don't know if anybody's ever been on their way to Dallas lately, but they are doing so much construction that it's not even funny. So water's standing everywhere, and then you know the speed limit's 75, so everybody's actually doing 75. You know, I came here, I went straight to sleep, came out to the car to get my stuff. This back window here was completely down. That's exactly where my laptop bag is with my camera in it. All of my gear. The bag completely soaked. I just pulled my laptop out. I had water all over it. My camera bag soaked. Everything in it is just plumb soaked. Blows my mind. There's actually, hold on. Look. You guys see the water?
Oh no, I'll get us a motel for the night.
Right. I can get you one of the cheap ones.
Okay. Well, if we come down there on Friday, we'll probably stay Friday and Saturday, then come back on Sunday. Next time, you and Dylan can come up this way.
Yeah.
Does that sound all right?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
Oh, hold on. Oh, I just hit.
Hello. Oh my God! What are you doing here? Are you serious?
We've got a very special thing going on today. This is going to be so much fun. Stick around, ride with us. I gotta hurry up and get ready, so I'm gonna keep this a little bit short, but I promise you it's gonna be cool.
I just want a bullet, like UGK used to double cook the fluid. DJ Screw Chop Suey.
Learn that shit from Texas. Swinging that bubble like Lex. Neon every X. Popping that trunk so wreck.
I just want a bullet, like you used to double cook the fluid. DJ Screw Chop Suey.
Learn that shit from Texas. Swinging that bubble like Lex. Neon every X. Popping that trunk so wreck. I just wanna come down one day, round one day. Can they paint that whistle around one day? Clown one day, show the grill, show the grill. I just wanna bend the corner late night to the early morning. Got an old school with some new component. Back then they didn't want me. Now that I'm swinging, they all on me. Now that I'm pulling up clean, I double the figure like double the cup of the lean. Glass highs with the gleam, screens like puppets on strings. Yeah, that I mean. 4 p.m. at the Kappa on swingers and adapters watching me ball. Yeah, salamander on the slab, 2 miles per hour, they watching me crawl.
I just want a bullet, like UGK used to double cook the fluid. DJ Screw Chop Suey.
Learn that shit from Texas. Swinging that bubble like Lex. Neon every X. Popping that trunk so wreck.
I just want a bullet, like you used to double cook the fluid. DJ Screw Chop.
Okay, you guys, that was the end of today's fun. We will be doing some more stuff next weekend, so be sure to be watching for that video. Alright, see you guys.